What if every human disappeared right now? No observers, no measurements, no awareness. Would the universe behave the same? Most people think yes. Stars would burn, galaxies would spin, time would continue. But the quantum physics disagrees. At the deepest level, reality behaves differently when it is not observed. Start small, one electron. If you don't observe it, the electron does not have a position. It exists as probabilities. Not here, not there. Everywhere it could be. This is not theory. It is measured. The proof is the double-slit experiment. Electrons are fired one by one at two slits. When no one observes which slit the electron passes through, an interference pattern appears. Each electron behaves like a wave passing through both slits. The moment you observe it, the pattern disappears. The electron behaves like a particle. Same setup, same electron, only observation changes. Reality changes when it is watched. Scientists tried to remove disturbance, better detectors, less interaction. The result stayed the same. Then they delayed observation. The electron passed the slits first. Only later did scientists decide whether to measure it. The result followed the future decision. Measure it, and the electron behaved like a particle in the past. Don't measure it, and it behaved like a wave in the past. Present choices affected past behavior. So the question becomes unavoidable. What is observation, a detector, an interaction, or awareness? This leads to Schrödinger's cat. A cat is sealed in a box. A quantum event decides whether poison is released. Before observation, the atom exists in two states, so the cat is alive and dead at the same time. Not symbolically, mathematically. Only when the box is open does reality choose. What causes that choice? The equations do not say, they only say measurement. But measurement is undefined. If interaction alone collapses reality, superpositions should not exist. Yet they do. This forces an uncomfortable possibility. Observation may require awareness, not human awareness specifically, but consciousness itself. Some physicists reject this, others take it seriously. To avoid it, alternatives were proposed. One is the many worlds interpretation. Reality never collapses. Every possible outcome happens in separate universes. In one universe, the cat lives. In another, it dies. You experience only one. Another explanation is decoherence. Quantum systems lose superposition through environmental interaction. But decoherence does not explain why one outcome is experienced. It explains disappearance of possibilities, not selection. So the problem remains. Why does reality feel definite? Why does one outcome happen? Now return to the original question. If every human disappeared, would the universe behave the same? On large scales, yes. On the quantum level, maybe not. Reality may remain unresolved, possibilities without outcomes. Some physicists believe the universe is made of information. And information only exists when it is known. An unobserved universe may exist only as potential, which leads to the final question. Before life existed, who observed the universe? And if observation creates reality, is the universe happening independently, or is it happening through observers? Next, we'll break down the biggest unsolved problem in quantum physics: why observation creates facts.